Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Move it, how to save your location. Here in this video, I'm going to teach you how to save your location in Move It. So Move It, how to save your location. All you need to do is open up your Move It account. And then after opening up your Move It account, click on account on the bottom right corner. After clicking on account on the bottom right corner, you will see save place. Press on that. After you can see right here, you can add now, add home, add work, add new. But right now we're going to choose add new. Add new, we can enter the location, we can put in um, let's say Taytay Changi, Taytay Changi. Then we can add the name of that location, let's say clothes. And after doing that, click on save address. After doing that, when you're gonna book in your here at your Move It, you just need to click on your Move It and then click on where, and then click on the clothes right there. As you can see, there's a heart icon right there. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you can go back. And to remove it, just click on account and then click on save places, and then you see a delete icon right there, as you can see. Or if you want to modify it, just press on it, then you can modify it, location and the name. So yeah, there you go, guys. So if you have any more questions, if you have more answers, you can type it on the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. So yeah, now we're just gonna delete it by just clicking on the delete icon or the trash icon right there in the right corner. So there. If you guys like the video, please enjoy it. If you have more questions, type it in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.